In this video, we're going to talk about 3 quick strategies you can use to help you get through a vertigo attack. Welcome to the Vertigo Recovery Doctor. I'm Dr. Kevin Smith, and I not only want to help you figure out what's causing your vertigo, but also how you can recover from it. The best way for you to get my help is to hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it to get notifications on when I come out with more helpful content. So let's talk about these 3 strategies. The first strategy that I want to talk to you about is managing your mindset and not feeding into anxiety, because vertigo is scary and it can be scary, but the more you feed into your anxiety, the more you feed into your fears about vertigo and about dizziness, the worse your symptoms are going to get, and the more amplified and exacerbated your symptoms are going to get as well. Now, when you're dizzy, trying to calm your mind, remember that this is temporary. Flare-ups are going to go away, right? Even if you have kind of a constant baseline dizziness, usually that's something that you can manage. But in those flare-ups, when the vertigo is really bad, manage your dizziness by just remembering that's going to be temporary and trying to kind of calm your mind. Don't feed into your fears and worries about it. I know, easier said than done, but second one is an exercise that I want you to implement to help you do that, because we can't separate the mental and emotional parts of our body from the physical. They're intertwined. So diaphragmatic breathing is the exercise that I want you to implement while you're trying to calm your mind. And this is going to do 2 things. One, physiologically, it's going to help stimulate that vagal nerve and that parasympathetic nervous system to help you feel more calm. But it's also going to help distract you from thinking about the vertigo and help with that first thing of not feeding into your anxiety and feeding into your worry about this. So for breathing, what I want you to do is you're going to take some deep breaths down into your diaphragm, down into your belly. So you can put one hand on your belly, one hand on your chest, and you take a deep breath in through your nose. And then you can hold it for a few seconds, and then slowly out through your mouth. So one thing you can do is take a deep breath in through your nose for 4 seconds, hold it for 4 seconds, and exhale slowly for 4 seconds, and then hold that for 4 seconds. Now, I actually like to exhale slowly for longer, shoot for 8 seconds, 10 seconds. Exhale slowly as long as you're able to. And I like to puff out your cheeks and kind of purse your lips to slowly let air out. It's going to help with filling up with that gas exchange in your lungs. Now, there's a lot of different breathing techniques. Whatever one you want to use, that's great. Here's just one that you can use or implement. The important parts are that 1, you're focusing on your breathing, distracting you from the vertigo. 2, you're diaphragmatically breathing to stimulate that vagus nerve and to help with that kind of calming effect when you're trying to get through a vertigo episode. Now, we got the diaphragmatic breathing down. Don't be breathing through your chest. Make sure you're keeping your chest quiet and you're just breathing through your belly. So the third thing is going to be something that you can apply. Now, this is going to be just an ice pack to the neck. And the reason that I like this is because 1, it helps calm the nervous system, and 2, it kind of helps cool and numb the area, because a lot of times, you get this anxiety response and this fight or flight response that kind of gets you feeling hot and sweaty and clammy, and the ice helps calm things down. It's going to calm down your nervous system. It's going to help you feel a little bit more relaxed as well. I know sometimes people think that heat's going to make you feel relaxed, but in this instance, the ice is going to do a better job. So those 3 things I really want you to focus on when you're going through or trying to get through a vertigo attack is 1, don't feed into your anxiety. Remember that this flare-up's temporary. It's going to go away. 2, utilize breathing techniques, so diaphragmatic breathing or whichever breathing technique you want to use to get through. Just 1, focus on your breathing, and 2, to stimulate that parasympathetic nervous system through that vagal nerve. And 3, try an ice pack to the neck to help reduce that nausea particularly, and kind of calm your nervous system down. So these are some things that you can use to help you get through a vertigo attack. If you're looking for something a little bit more, more steps that you can do to implement today to help you get through or even get rid of your vertigo, especially if you have BPPV, check out my Vertigo Kickstart mini course, and then you'll find the link in my About page, or you'll find the link down below in the notes. And if you're also trying to figure out what is causing your vertigo, then you can find my free ebook on the 5 most common causes of vertigo and how to recover through the links below as well, or in my About page. So thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful for you. Throw a like in there and a comment if you have any questions, or if there's something that worked well for you, or if whatever works for you to get through a vertigo attack. I'd love to hear it as well. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.